Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to write a Java program to count occurrences of each character in a string. So suppose if we have a string Java, then the occurrence J comes one time, A comes twice, and V comes once. So the occurrences of J in a string is 1, A is 2, and V is 1. So this problem is also very important in terms of interviews. So let's think for a moment, how do you solve this problem? So if we create a map for character and their count, then our problem gets solved. So let's suppose I'm declaring a string and initializing a value programming. Now next step, I'm declaring a map of character and their count, which we store in integer format. So character map count, and so this is my map, and in this map I store each character and their count. Now let's traverse a string. So character C and a string to char array. So we have two conditions here. If the character is already present in a map, then we pick their previous value and add 1 to them. If it's in, then we set character and their count is 1. So if I say C character map count dot contains key, if this character is present in a map, then what I do, I so character map count, I put the character and get its previous value. So let's get its previous value and add 1 to them. Else, so this character is not present in a map, so I'll just put character and its value 1. If I run this program, so let's first print the map. If I run this program, then see, P occurs once in this string, A occurs 1, R occurs once, G occurs 1, I occurs 1, M occurs 2 times, N occurs 1, and O occurs 1 time. So now let's change the string to Java. If I again run this program, then A occurs 2 times, V occurs 1 time, and J occurs 1 time. So let's quickly recap what we have done. So we have created a map of a map which stores character and its count. We traverse a string and check whether the current character is present in a map. If it's present, then we get the previous value of a map and added 1 to it. If it's not, then we set the character and its value to 1. So I hope you understand this problem and the solution, and for more such video tutorials, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching this video.